Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Monday, November 23rd, 2015. We're getting ready for the holiday weekend. It's going to be a short week with Thanksgiving on the way for Thursday, and then you got Black Friday on the way as well, which many people go nuts for sales and all that nonsense. So let's dive into the forecast, which is actually pretty quiet through much of this week, but definitely a chilly start. We have temperatures this morning in the upper 20s to lower 30s over the interior, lower to mid 30s along the coast, but a northwesterly wind around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Generally, most locations are around 10 miles per hour from the northwest with clear skies. We do have a little bit of lake effect snow over portions of northeastern Pennsylvania that I'll show you in just a moment. No real accumulation, but definitely a few flurries in the air. When we take a look at the latest surface map, high pressure is building in and taking control and will remain in control all the way through Friday with clear skies to sky cloud cover. You can see that very clearly on the latest infrared satellite picture. With high pressure in place, our coastal storm that just missed us yesterday will continue to head out into the Atlantic, and then we have our high pressure system that will shift from the Great Lakes to the Canadian Maritimes by the time we get to Wednesday afternoon, and that's going to lead to a shift in our winds from the north and northwest to the east by the time we get to Wednesday afternoon, and that's going to lead to a nice moderation in temperatures as we head towards Thanksgiving. When we take a look at the latest radar, you can see that lake-enhanced and lake-induced snowfall that is developing off of Lake Ontario, dropping south and pushing into northeastern Pennsylvania right around the Poconos. Again, this won't really accumulate all that much, but it certainly looks nice and lets us know that, hey, winter is on the way. So let's dive into our forecast for today. Now again, high pressure is pretty much in control. Look for clear skies to sky cloud cover. Temperature's not rising all that much. Highs in the lower to mid 40s. For this evening, sky cloud cover continues. Temperatures falling through the 40s into the 30s. Overnight tonight, clear skies. Winds will become light and variable, allowing temperatures to crash into the 20s over the interior and lower 30s along the coast for lows. Very chilly conditions tomorrow morning. For tomorrow afternoon, clear skies are expected with winds from the north at around 5 to 15 miles per hour, gradually veering to the northeast. Look for highs in the mid 40s. For Wednesday, winds will shift to the east around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Look for scattered cloud cover, lows in the lower to mid 30s, highs in the mid 40s to around 50 degrees in the Delaware River Valley. So you can see that moderation starting to take hold. For the holiday weekend, high pressure will be in place for Thanksgiving and for Friday, leading to clear skies and sky cloud cover. But with a high pressure system off the coast, look for a southerly wind. On Thanksgiving, look for lows in the lower 40s, highs in the upper 50s to lower 60s. On Friday, look for lows in the upper 40s to lower 50s and highs in the lower 60s. So it's certainly a nice warm-up. A strong cold front will move through on Saturday morning with some scattered showers, and then temperatures are not going to be moving all that much thereafter. Look for lows in the lower 40s, highs in the mid to upper 40s. Mostly, you're going to see temperatures falling in the afternoon. So basically look for a low around 41. It jumps up to 45, let's say around 9, 10 a.m. And then thereafter it just gradually falls off throughout the rest of the day with temperatures likely in the upper 30s by the time we get to the evening hours. For Sunday, high pressure will be in place with clear skies and chilly conditions, lows in the lower 30s, highs in the mid 40s. And on Monday, high pressure will be in place with clear skies and sky to sky cloud cover, lows in the mid 30s, highs in the upper 40s. And then we're going to watch this low pressure system right here, see what the exact track is, as it will head towards the mid-Atlantic states. Now, whether this low pressure system tracks towards the Great Lakes and then redevelops off the East Coast, or just tracks right towards the Delmarva Peninsula is still a bit of a debate. Look for primarily rain along the coast. It's not yet ready for wintry precipitation, let's just say, for the coast. But the interior, I keep an eye on this. This could be an interesting storm to keep an eye on. But we have to wait to see exactly what the track is and other factors on the way. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NY and JPA weather. And as always, stay safe out there.